Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what time it is? It is time for a 30-second card. And sometimes I can get it in close to 30 seconds. Who am I kidding? No, I don't. But usually I can get it in around close to kind of maybe 5 minutes. So we're gonna do that right now. My plan, and you never know what's gonna happen with my plan, but my plan is to use my Lively Flip It card die set because it really is an easy peasy type of die to use. And so that is my main hope, to use that. And I did pull out the Bright 2 Everyday pattern paper pad. So I grabbed some raspberry and some grape and some white in hopes that I can make a card using those colors. You know what? I just thought of something and I'm gonna grab it right now because this is totally not cheating. I'm grabbing an adhesive sheet just in case I need one. So I have everything in my craft workstation that I should need. I have my adhesive ready, die cut machine ready. I am ready. And Kenny is off camera, but he has his timer ready to go. So as soon as I take a deep breath, on your marks, let me scratch my nose, on your marks, get the hair behind the ears, on your marks, get sight, get set, start the time. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so I'm going to, of course, use my white for my card base. And I'm going to trim that down. I'm going to put that in my die. It does fit in the Midi, you guys. Really, barely, but it does, okay? I'm going to bring my Midi over, and I'm going to run this through the die cut machine extra fast. A little bit of a speed bump, but I'm okay. Now, the die is going to be cutting and scoring for me at the same time, so I don't have to worry about doing any scoring, okay? So there's my card base. I'm going to throw that off to the side. Then I'm going to cut my layering pieces. So let's get some pattern paper out of here. And you know I'm looking at that grape right away, right? So I got to find that grape. Where is it? Oh, grape. Okay, so, ooh, I like that one too. So I'm going to grab that grape, and then I think I think we'll stick with the grape. Okay, so we're going to lay that down. We're gonna lay this, and we kind of have to make sure these don't go wonky because that is a pattern. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna lay those down, and then I'm gonna get tricky with my masket tape because that is important. It's gonna keep my dies flat, I mean, not without moving, right? It's not gonna let them move. So I'm gonna add it in 2 little spots right here, right there. Then I'm gonna run that through. So it's a little bit of extra second there, but I will be happy I did it, right? So I'm gonna run that through, dun, 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 dun. And those dies didn't move, so I didn't have to worry. I'm gonna grab this. And now, it stuck to my hand. Now what we have is we have our 2 pieces die cut. I'm gonna grab those right there, grab that off. Now the masket tape doesn't tear the paper, so you don't have to worry about it. Sometimes it might tear itself, but it doesn't tear the paper, so you're okay. So now I have those 2 pieces. Now what I wanna do is I wanna die cut this really awesome hello. And I'm gonna use these 2, but I know I'm gonna need some here. Okay, let's grab this, and I'm gonna get some adhesive sheet. So I'm gonna grab this. Because that hello is very intricate, I want to make sure that I have adhesive sheet on the back. So I am spending this extra second doing this, but it is definitely worth it, you guys. And just for time, okay, so I'm gonna lay this down, and I'm gonna lay this down. I am gonna grab some of that masket tape, and I'm gonna line that up, just to spend an extra second to line that up. There we go. Now I'm gonna get that, and let's just run that through. Oh, you know what? Tricky. Run it through faster this way because this is smaller. Okay, so we're gonna run that through just like that, and we can go faster because it's smaller. Okay, now we have our hello, and I'm just gonna leave that right there. Then I need to get some raspberry, so I'm gonna grab some raspberry, trim it down to make it faster, lay this down, and actually I want 2 of these, so I'm gonna fold that over, and I'm gonna run this through my Mini. Now I use a smaller cutting pad when it's a smaller die because less rotations on the machine, right? So we're just gonna grab this and run that through because the cutting pad is smaller, so it's less rotations. There we go. Okay, we're ready to put this baby together. Watch this, you guys, watch this. I'm gonna grab that, I'm gonna grab my adhesive. I'm just gonna lay this down really quick. Watch this, I have white all the way around. Check that out, right? Now we're gonna get this one, and we're gonna add adhesive on the back of this. You guys, this card is so dang fast. Okay, we're gonna let this right here. So if I have to beat the postal mail person or the woman, okay, now we're gonna fold it in half, take it off the desk, fold it in half towards us, take the top flap and fold it up, turn it to the left, little sides on the left, watch this. Wah, wah. Never ever decorate the front until you have folded it to make sure you have not folded it the wrong way. I'm sorry, that you have not decorated the wrong side. I'm gonna grab this piece right here to layer it. Now I'm gonna grab my awesome, awesome hello. Watch this, you guys. Watch this. Ready? I'm gonna peel this up. Peel this up. Most of the trash is gonna go with that. And look at this. Hello. Hello. Look at how awesome that is right there. Now to finish this off, I'm gonna grab the inside. I'm going to grab this extra piece. Remember, I die cut too. Look at that. Now, I'm almost done because this is a fast card. I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna grab my personalized stamp that I have made. Stop. That was a good one. That was a good one. That was a good one. I know it was good. I know it was good. I know it was good. Okay, let's look at the card first. I don't want to even know the time, but look how fast. I'm telling you guys, flip-its are the way to go when you need a fast card. Okay, so here it is. Now, don't forget, you guys, I could have added ribbon here. I could have added a cute little flower here. I could have taken this up a couple notches, right? But when you need a fast card, you are going to do this. So here's my hello, right? Open it up. I could stamp my message if I want to, or I could just write a little message there. Turn it over on the back, made just for you, love you, Stephanie. Dun, 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 dun. Now I could have even used foam squares behind this. Watch this, you guys. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna cheat because I already did my card, but watch this. I could have added foam behind this, and I'm gonna show you this right now just because I want you to see the difference. So I'm gonna add some of my extra adhesive foam that I used for my last shaker card. I'm gonna add just a big piece right there. You could use a smaller piece if you want. And I'm going to pop this up. And now I'm gonna have just a little bit more dimension behind that. So now it's kind of like it's a little more popped up. So it just looks a little different. You get more shadows and things like that. But either way, it looks awesome. So Ken, I am ready to hear the news because I have a feeling this is gonna be a good one. I know this is gonna be a good one. It has to be because it's a flip it card and it's so dang fast. Okay, Ken, what is it? Oh yeah, I told you, and I was right. So quick and easy, right? 4 minutes, 42 seconds, even got my personalized stamp on the back, but look at how fast. If you needed to like mail a card or make multiples of a card, way to go right here, right? And again, I can build this up. I can add more to it. I can add ribbon. I could add little flowers. I could add a whole bunch of other things. But when you need a fast card, the flip-its are definitely a way to go. And this one's a newer one. So go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Yay, 4 minutes and 42 seconds. So thank you so much for joining me for a 30-second card in 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Not bad if I do say so myself. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. Girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways, but what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good, and there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like